Good morning, everyone. I've got a little bit of a morning rant this morning, and I want to talk to you about a case of a lady who called me a couple of nights ago, and she explained that she'd been seeing a chiropractor for many years, having fantastic results. And unfortunately, that chiropractor had to go on holidays for a period of time, and while they were away, she got stuck seeing someone else. And immediately following the treatment, she had to go to the emergency department. She had numbness, weakness, tingling, burning in her limbs. She had changes in her eyesight. What else did she have? Dizziness and vertigo. So pretty serious stuff. They did tests and they found nothing was wrong. But ever since that day, she has continued to have symptoms. So she's seen a few practitioners, and she got stuck seeing a chiropractor, and I'm not going to name names, but if this person's watching, they are a chiropractor in the southeastern suburbs of Victoria in Officer. And this chiropractor said that she needed to pay him $2,000 up front, and she needed treatment 3 days a week, and that was the only way that she was going to get better. Now, this is a prime example of everything that's fucking wrong with my profession. This chiropractor, you are an absolute flog, all right? All you are doing is preying on a vulnerable person for your own gain to put more money in your pocket, okay? And I'm glad that this lady has seen through your shit to contact someone else for a second opinion, or at least a second opinion, or just to have a chat. So, chiropractors out there, stop being fucking shit and be better. It's 2025 and our industry is going to suffer from dumb idiots like this one. All right? That's my rant for the day. Have a good one.